nagyapon ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so cadets, thank you for your output, no, for your proposal, thesis proposal, and thank you for your presentation, no. So your presentation, we have learned about the content of your thesis proposal. Okay, with regards to your title is very good talaga. Select, okay na siya. Okay, wala na tayo sabon diha. Okay na. And then, we will proceed to statement of the problem. Although, dali lang yung buhat, wala tayong arrange. Pero good ang pagka-istorya. Okay na siya. Okay, mayo. Ato lang i-change ang examen. Yung moral examen, determine na lang. Simple word to determine whether the respondent's knowledge in simulator based. Very good siya. Inyong hypothesis, tama po, pagkabuhat. Mayo, very good. Pag abot lang ang inyong conceptual, okay na po siya. Conceptual, masabta naman na to ang IBDB. Ang IB, tail sa aro, sa buntot, nga box. Ang head, DB naman na. Or else, pwede po butang ang IBDB sa babaw. Okay naman siya. And then, nalapit concern isa sa sample ninyo. Why your target population 3rd year and 4th year? Dapat yung 4th year?
Kinopya nila ba?
Nagunaw na kayo basig apilo ninyo ng mga nagkuan? Ikas barko? Mag-listen man ta o kuan nila gather?
Revise naman sa.
Revise? Mao na yung kaganahan sa inyo. 3rd year lang.
Ay sir, revise na naman sir.
Focus na lang. Focus on 3rd year.
Mayo.
Revise na naman.
Mayo. Kamoy nagbuhat ane?
Yes.
Mayo, very good. Mayo. Kabuhat. Good siya. Okay na siya. Kailan ko siya lang. Mayo yung cases.
Okay, good afternoon.
Sir.
Your title is about simulator-based evaluation of students. So, I just want to know what kind of simulator are you going to use for evaluating? What type of simulator are you going to use for this kind of evaluation? Some you need to make the student competence in port operation, no? And efficiency compliance with port regulations. So any kind of simulator base.
This study survey examine the student competence in port cooperation using simulator training, assess efficiency, and regulatory compliance.
Do you know existing simulator for this kind of
May scenario mga yan dyan.
some port regulation?
May scenario yan.
No, some about port port kaning mga siya is port operation, cargo handling,
Sa cargo handling, no?
and especially this one, port regulation, compliance with port regulation. Then
Cargo handling na sinusip ang isip mo. Nag-analyze ka dyan, no?
ang cargo handling and storage.
Storage, tama.
Cargo handling and storage.
Seamanship 3, no? Training. Cargo handling and storage. Storage.
Storage mo man ang pag-arrange sa mga karga, no?
Seamanship 3. Wala man na Seamanship 3. Second year man siguro na.
I-mention lang ninyo na.
naman mo.
Okay.
So pwede sila second year at 3rd year ang nila sir? Instead of
Second
yung 4th year.
year. Para competence.
Mas mayan 3rd year kayo.
Third year na lang.
Naagian na kayo ang simulator.
Age pa lang man sa second year.
Kung atong 4th year, katong kung plano ninyo magkuha ka ng mga gikan sa barko,
Mas okay po, pero
kana sa STO mo magulat. Okay.
Take time pa.
Okay po
magbaba.
siya.
Or unless mga training center, training. Pero ano, medyo lisad. Unless student lang ang yapon. Pero isang klaseng ano ni, pag-data gathering ninyo.
How will you gather the data?
Questionnaire, di ba? You're already conducting questionnaire.
From the approval of research advisor and academic ethics in a committee of the institution.
Stop ka na, stop. Is only Holy Cross or
Only
Davao area?
Only Davao,
Only Davao.
Davao City, sir.
So what are schools? Ito lang, HSCDC lang? Or you will also
ACDC lang.
only?
Wala, that's all po. Wala po mga.
Sige po.
So, okay na sir. Hello, good afternoon, cadets. You have a good title at the same time as study, simulator, which is very important among seafarers, right? How would you operate it, the technical aspect, and even its competence in the port operations. It matters so much because whatever learnings you have here today, the knowledge, the awareness, and even the internalization of your knowledge as future seafarers, it matters so much soon when you will be on board, right? Which means I'm talking to you that the top or the research you have will be a big factor for you. Not only in having some research results from other students, but you yourself. This will be more applicable to you as researchers. Okay? So my main question, I just want to ask every one of you, how are you able to come up with this research study? Your motivating factor. Why? Let's start with, go.
Motivated sa research na simulator based. I was motivated by the need to enhance the maritime training using modern simulation technologies for safety port operation.
Yeah, that's it. At least, you
Go.
build more confidence in answering questions, right? Go. Next. Derek. What have you learned in having that kind of research study? You don't need to have your own copy, just
your own idea.
your own have your idea.
I choose evaluate the simulation based of training student practical maritime port operation skills and study focuses maritime students using port operation.
Yeah, that's it. Just have your learning. Okay, go. Reynes.
To determine if simulator-based training effectively develops students operational competency and regulatory awareness.
Tama.
Yeah, that's it.
Good.
Because
Good answer.
soon, if ever there will be shipping lines, we will be applying it. One of the questions is
Yeah,
how are you
like
able,
that.
and then
Like
you're
that.
able, di ba? You ask how you perform and then the knowledge in it. So awareness. Okay, go, cadet. Victoria.
To evaluate the student competence in a port operation using simulator of efficiency and compliance.
Outcomes. Outcome.
Yeah, outcome. And it's good enough we have a good and new simulator here now in our HCDC. So it will be a big factor to have more effective future seafarers. And you'll make a difference of it, okay? So with your answers here, I have some recommendations in terms of the paragraph, your introduction, and then in the significance of your study, we have observed it's more of, you have noted on the SDGs, it's good, but you have to identify more on the significance of your study. Sample, for one, for maritime students, what does this study, in terms of training, in terms of competence, and the port operations, how does it benefit to the maritime student? Future na siya, I mean, how does it benefit to the maritime student, you yourself? Second, to the HCDC, Maritime Department, you should include with them. Because if ever with this study, and then with the program that we will make for the HCDC Maritime Department, it would be a big help for maritime students. Then, just like, diba, sometimes we have lessons in class, but sometimes without the application of it, which means just asking the students, are you able to internalize the subject or are you able to master it? It makes the difference of understanding and then just knowledge, rather than the deepening, I mean, internalization. Okay? And for the seafarers or the future seafarers, does it impact really with the knowledge that you have in terms of port operations, for safety and security, right? And for future researchers, you also take note of this. One of the significance of your study with this study or your research, this would be a reference materials for future researchers. And last but not least, for the Shell Marina, you should include for this, because we have the new simulators. How does it benefit, and then to come up with institutionalizations for the Shell Marina. And for I have some in terms of technical aspects on the data gathering, and you look forward also in coming up with a copy of your questionnaire. It's good because it would help you most to come up with the questionnaire itself. Okay, and then advanced readings for your RRN or the review-related literatures for the final presentation soon. Okay, that's all, cadets.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Do you want questions or clarification before we end?
Nasa pa na.
Done so far? Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Narayan yung ba ng copy na yun?